Right, today we're going to be talking about the makeup of the eye and how to draw an eyeball correctly. So, first things we're going to do is go over the terminology of the eyes. The eye socket is the hole in the skull where the eyeball sits. The brow ridge right here is the top of the ridge of that hole. It can be identified as almost like a box that sits above the eye. When you look here, this is a little shape demonstration of the brow ridge, the nose, obviously the eyelids. The eyeball is covered by a top and bottom lid. So top, bottom lid, just like this. Here, top and bottom lid. This is a side view of the eyeball. The brow ridge acts as an awning to protect the sensitive eye. So if you're looking from the side, someone's face, the brow ridge shoots out farther than where the eye is more sunken in. Then we got the tear duct, which is the inside of the eye, which will be right here. We have the sclera, which is the white part of the eye. Don't shoot until you see the sclera of their eyes. That's the white part of the eye. We can get mistaken by saying it's the white part of the eye because the sclera is a sphere. In order to draw the sclera, we're gonna have to make the sphere, and then you're gonna have to shade because the light will hit it from one angle. Obviously, with this jutting out, this part will be shaded, or wherever the light's coming from. It's not going to be a perfect white. Whatever part of the eye that we can see, it's usually this shape, there'll be a little bit of the shade that comes out from the edges. Tear duct, eyelids. I'm making the iris right now. The iris is the colored part of our eye. This would actually be the cornea, because this is a transparent cover that covers the eye, almost like wearing a contact lens. The iris is then the pupil, which is what I am. I'm just a pupil learning this stuff along with everyone else. I'm not a master of this at all. But the pupil is the black part of the eye. Whenever you look at a portrait, there's always a section that's, because the eyes are shiny, so they kind of have light reflect off of them. So there's always a part of this iris that is not as full black.